Hello and good evening. I'm Lazima Gomes and you're watching Goa 365. First, the headlines. Adwalpal villagers demand to review consent given to mining industries. Goa Government Employees Association withdraw their strike. Demands to start public meetings once again on SEZ issue. World Environment Day celebrated today. Now for the news in detail. The villagers of Adwalpal held a protest demonstration outside the offices of the Goa State Pollution Control Board and CESA Goa office at Pato, demanding a stop to mining activities in their village. The villagers have been protesting since the last 15 days in their village, and seeing no response from the government, they decided to hold a protest before the Goa State Pollution Control Board office, but they were stopped by police in Porvorim itself, thus violating their fundamental right.
नाजाल्यार आम्ही हेजे 15 दीस जाले आंदोलन करता तर एक दीस तरी येवन आमची विचारपूस करतले आसले बाबा हे चल्ला कितें तुमी खरेंच कितें त्रास जाता पूण अशें कांयच ना सगळे हे जाणटी नेणटी हांगासर येवन आसात पळय कशी ती एकदम हाल जावपाचे आतां उरले आमचे.
Speaking to Goa 365, the villagers alleged that though officials had conducted various inspections at the site, but no report was filed, thus compelling them to believe that the government only favors the rich and not the poor.
पूण हेचेर आमचे डेप्युटी कलेक्टर आसा ते काय एक्शन घेयनात ते म्हणटात तुमी हायकोर्टाक चला आपणाच्यान काय करूंक जायना जण एकटो कोणा कडेन आमी आमचे मागणे घेवन गेले जाल्यार ते फक्त हायकोर्टान चला म्हणटात आनी कांयच उलयनात आनी हे फक्त तांकांच मदत करतात आमकां मदत करपाक हांगासर सद्या कोण ना. आमी अशें विचारता आयज हो गव्हर्मेंट जो आम आदमी म्हणटा तो आम आदमी म्हणजे कोण हे डेफिनेशन तेणी खरें खुरें दिवचें. आम आदमी म्हणजे कितें व्हडले लोकूच हे ज्यांच्या खातीर सगळें प्रोटेक्शन मेळटा. आम आदमी म्हणजे चल्ला कितें आम आदमी म्हणून जी थट्टा चल्लेली आसा गव्हर्मेंटाची ते तेणे आपली फाटी घेवची आनी खरोच आम आदमी खातीर झगडचें.
They were also of the opinion that the permission given to the mine owners be analyzed in the light of the social and environmental hazard that it is causing to the villagers.
त्रास म्हणजे आमकां थंयसर एकदम डस्ट पोल्युशन आसा वॉटर पोल्युशन आसा आमकां थंयसर चडांत चड व्हडलें वॉटर पोल्युशन सावंड पोल्युशन आसा. दुसरें म्हणजे आमचे जे घरां आसा ती एकदम मुनान आसा कंपनीचे आनी कंपनी आसा ती हाय लेवलाचेर आसा त्या कारणाक लागून 2002 सालान आमच्या लोकांच्या घरांनी माती आनी उदक गेलो आनी हाहाकार माजलो.
The villagers of Adwalpal were later allowed into the city under the cover of the armed forces in case they went berserk. A memorandum was submitted by the Gauda, Kunbi, Vilip and Dangar Federation to the Goa Pollution Control Board objecting to further mining leases in Goa.
आमी आमचे एलिगेशन दिल्लेलें आसा की आमी वयर आमचे क्लाउड साहेब आनी प्रवीण जे आसा तेंचे बरोबर वचून आमचे जे विचार आसा आमचे जे कंप्लेन आसा ते दिल्लेले आसा आनी ह्यो मायनी ज्यो आसात तुमी कशे करून बंद करपाचे विचार करात म्हणून सांगलेले आसा. आतां तेंच्यांनी आमकां सांगलां की आमी नॅरी म्हणून जी संस्था आहा तेचे कडेन हे फुडले जे प्रोसेसींग आहात उदकाचेर म्हणा जावं एअर पोल्युशनाचेर म्हणा आहात ते तांकां आमी चॅकिंगाक धाडटात ते सर्वे करून तेचेर तेंच्या कडल्यान रिपोर्ट हाडटा आनी जे आमच्या कडल्यान करूंक जाता तितले करता म्हणून तेंच्यांनी आश्वासन दिल्लेलें आसा.
After observing a successful opening day, the Goa Government Employees Association has withdrawn their week-long pen down, tool down strike. The association had organized the strike on the failure of the government to bring parity in the pay scale. After paralyzing the state administration, the government employees have suspended their strike on the assurance given by the government and in public interest. However, the public had serious tribulations on the first day of the strike itself, and one can imagine how the week could have been affected.
Now I have come today from the Ponda. Work has not been done. I have to go back and we have been harassed. I don't know what is the reason of the strike, that I am not aware.
See, already these government peoples are very loaded. You can see any table. On every table you see lot of bunch of file is there. Still they are going on strike. So it's a very illegal. You should ban on the strike. People face very problem because see only officers are working. Everybody is on strike now. Our work is totally stopped.
It may be recalled that the Goa government employees had launched a series of agitations in 2007 wherein they had put down 7 of their general demands. All their demands were met except the parity in pay scales due to financial liabilities. Goa's movement against SEZs has decided to hold public meetings in different parts of the state to keep the people abreast of the latest developments in order to be ready to fight back if the government fails to denotify the 3 SEZs. Briefing media person Jamaat's convener Matani Saldana demanded to cancel the SEZ policy in the state of Goa. Jamaat also demanded that the Chief Minister Digambar Kamath should settle this issue within 7 days. Jamaat also reminded Mr. Kamath about his promise to appoint best legal counsel to defend against the SEZ lobby. They also opposed any compensation to SEZ developers. Hello and good evening. I'm Lazima Gomes and you're watching Goa 365. First, the headlines. Adwalpal villagers demand to review consent given to mining industries. Goa Government Employees Association withdraw their strike. Jamaat to start public meetings once again on SEZ issue. World Environment Day celebrate. We're heading for a short break. Stay with us.